and welcome back to Messing with Resin. I'm sitting in a rainy shed and I apologise for being away for so long, but on the run up to the big day of Christmas I have been super busy with orders and I am closed for Christmas now, but I am still making some new items ready for my January launch. So this will be my last video of this year, so while you watch me pour some resin into these coaster moulds, I want to just say thank you all for your continued support and following me from my transition to doing nails to resin, which I've been doing for almost 3 years now. How quick has that gone? But anyway, back to this video. So yeah, I'm making some new stock ready for January when I reopen. And I'm just pouring some pink sparkly glitter into these coaster moulds. Now, when I first started making coasters, I made them as thick as the mould and I didn't like them, so I don't make them as thick now, but they are still sturdy and strong enough. So I start off with a little bit of resin and then I will add a little bit of clear to the back of this off camera, and then we will just leave them to dry. And then I've already added the clear. You can see the super glossy finish. And look at that blingy sparkle. And you can see by when I take them out how thin they are. But I add rubber feet to them as well, so they're non-slip and protect surfaces. And on these particular ones, I'm putting a cute little kitty cat. Once we get everything sorted. So yeah, I've cut out all the designs ready and I'm going to apply them to this side, and I could put them in and then just add the resin in the mould, but because the glitter sinks and I prefer the sparkly finish, this is why I do them this way. So we're just going to apply each one to each coaster like so, working out what one to do. Place it so it looks central. I'm just eyeballing it and then I use the scraper to put it down, so hopefully there are no air bubbles. And while I'm doing that, I will wish you all a very Merry Christmas. And just stay safe, have fun, make memories, and have a prosperous new year. Because like I said, this will be my last video of this year. And I'm hoping to make and post more frequently next year. Okay, so now they're done. I have sped this up slightly because as you can see now they're on. I'm doming with clear resin. Yes, I could just pour it on and whatsy, but I like to do this carefully for 2 reasons. One, I'm too lazy to latex the base side, so should any run off, it's going to stick. That's just me. 2, because I am covering a vinyl image, I want to make sure that in between all of those, you see the black outline, I don't want no bubbles clinging. So by putting it on bit by bit, I've got more control of it not running off the edge, and I can push them little bubbles out and then do that with a clicky lighter, and voila, they are all done and finished. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.